Hey everyone, if you have a long PDF that takes hours to read, NotebookLM can summarize it in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to summarize large PDF files in NotebookLM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and open an existing notebook or create a new one. Next, click Add Source Asterisk and upload the PDF you want to summarize. You know, larger documents may take a little longer to process, so give NotebookLM a moment to finish indexing the file. Now, once the PDF is ready, open the chat panel and ask NotebookLM to generate a summary. You can request a general overview or ask for summaries of specific chapters, sections, or topics. After that, review the AI-generated summary. If you need more detail, ask follow-up questions about key findings, important concepts, or specific pages within the document. So if your notebook contains multiple PDFs, NotebookLM can also compare information across them and create a combined summary based on all of your uploaded sources. Next, save any useful notes or copy the summary into your research, study materials, or project documents for future reference. Finally, verify important facts by checking the source citations provided by NotebookLM to make sure the summary matches the original document. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully learned how to summarize large PDF files in NotebookLM. Now, you can review lengthy documents much faster and focus on the information that matters most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.